Okay, so I did a bit of groceries today. I actually bought a pork loin rib half, and it was actually a good price, $9.57. So now I'm basically just cutting it up into, well, I've got 6 basically pork chops in here. There's 2, 4, 6. I'm also cutting them up into strips for stir fries. I'm doing cubes for stews. Also for chili. I still have quite a bit left. And basically I'm measuring it out to, trying to measure them out to 1 pound bags for the cubes and the strips. As I go, started another one. So yeah, for under $10, I'm going to have a lot of pork, which is actually pretty good. And I just had to put a little bit of effort in to cut it up. And I don't mind doing that for quite a bit of savings, because the pork chops, if I wanted to get 6 like this at the store, it was going to run me about $10 by itself. So I think I did pretty good.